Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 7th of November 2014 market review. The trade for today is called Sanlam. Now, Sanlam code is SLM and the last traded price was 70 Rand and 80 cents. The action is to trade it physically from a short, that's from high level to a low level. Entry level will be 71 Rand 15, and that's the dotted blue line here. Target on this trade will be 68 Rand 50 on the green line. Stop loss to be used will be approximately 71 Rand and 85 cents. Looking at all the open trades at this time, Richmond, Impala, Standard Bank and Shoprite. Looking at the top 40 index, the blue line is the movement of the top 40 shares from the JSE. As you can see, it's currently coming down on the 5-day moving average and it's still trading above the 20-day moving average on the top. Looking at the Dow Jones, Thursday evening they closed 69 points stronger, and that was on a level of 17,554 points, and they closed to this green line here on the top. Now looking at this index, quite high, and we need to take note it's Friday today. We're going to get our job figures, non-farm payroll figures, late afternoon, at 3:30, and the market will be quite hectic to look at this. It's very important data that will come out to see if the US job market has improved for the last month, and the market will react to it on late afternoon. Currently, the futures are a bit positive, about 41 points. And the European futures are also about 14 points positive, and some of the Asian markets are also positive for Friday morning. Looking at the J200, this futures of the top 40 shares on the JSE is also currently positive, about 200 points positive. So we need to see how the opening will happen at 8:30 on this future product. Now please take note. You can see we actually came close to this 45,000 points, and we're currently trading at 44,306 points. Still we're trading above the middle Bollinger Band here, and we need to see what the Rand and dollar is going to do, because currently the Rand and dollar is sitting at 11 Rand 26, and that is quite negative for some of the market players on the JSE. And the gold is sitting at $11.33, $1,133 per ounce. Now let's go and look at Shoprite. Now Shoprite's on the top here, and it's struggling to break this 160 Rand as we speak. It's currently trading at 159 Rand. So you can see it's on the top here of the Fibonacci. Looking at Mr. Price, you can actually also see it's looking similarly in Shoprite, coming a bit down. Keep in mind, as we spoke about yesterday, about at 23.6%, and it's currently trading at 223 Rand and 99 cents, and that low there is 221 Rand, 222 Rand, coming from highs of 250 Rand. Looking at your Woolies, they also came down, and from this high of 80 Rand, currently trading at 77.92. Lows to look at is about 77 if this one needs to come down to this bottom green line here of the Bollinger Bands, close to a level of 72.50, 73 Rand. Now MTN got a bit of a hiding yesterday as well, and this is the big cycle, almost 11 Rand 50 down yesterday. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Broke this level, actually went to a level of almost yesterday of about 227 Rand, just underneath it, and it started to get a bit of support there, and it actually closed on a level of 228.96 in the sideways pattern. Looking at Vodacom, also in the top here, there's a bit of a double top there, as you can see. Broke that low that we spoke about yesterday, and currently trading at 136. For this one to go actually further down, it needs to break this 104 Rand, 134 Rand if it needs to go lower. Looking at your banking shares, broke this 23.6% and trading at 170 Rand and 28 cents. So the expectation, it could come back to the 61.8% on a level of 161.98. Standard Bank also came down, moved up, and it's currently trading here to 135 level. Current high is 138, current trading level 135, and the current low is about 150. Looking at Imperial, also a double top, as you can see there on the top. Now we need to see if we can break this 184.20. If you can break it, next low could be back to 177.88. Currently trading at 185. So look at this market here. CFR. Now CFR need to be tracked very slowly, cautiously. Look at the same patterns playing here between the green and the red line. Current low is 90, current high is about 93 rand. Currently trading at 92 rand. So we need to see how this one will play out very soon. So traders, it's Friday, also a lot of data coming out. Americans breaking new highs on the Dow Jones, S&P 500. That's the top 500 shares on the Standard & Poor's 5 index. Also reached a bit of highs yesterday, and you can basically see it on the index here. So the Americans are expecting great markets. Let's see what the market delivers for today. And we will have a chat on Monday morning again. Enjoy your trading.